He isn't really interested in the perfect woman. Instead, he's looking for these three things from you. How much time do you spend each day as a woman thinking about what guys actually desire from the women they date? If you're like the majority of women on the planet, you probably spend a lot of time doing so. Based on what society and the media tell you, you may be devoting a lot of time and effort to making yourself look highly appealing. You strive to project an image of someone who is always amusing, insightful, fascinating, and cultured. You went to great lengths to remake yourself in order to fit into certain female tropes. You spent all this time showing how wonderful you'd be for him. What a wonderful future he'd have if he chose you to be his partner. But no matter how hard you try, and if he notices you at all, the man in your life takes you for granted, or you just can't manage to get him to fall in love with you. You spent so much time trying to win him over, but it never seems to work. You put in so much time and effort, yet he doesn't seem to notice. Why is this the case? You're desperate for an answer, yet you're at a loss. Well, you're in luck because you'll finally find your answer if you watch this video. It isn't his fault at all. It's got nothing to do with him. It's not that he doesn't recognize a wonderful thing when it's right in front of him. He does. He isn't immature in any way. He can't tell when something is great until it's gone. Or perhaps, alternatively, maybe, it's because you've been looking after him and his needs. He will not value your relationship if he does not work for it. The things that men value the most are those that they have to work hard for. Perhaps he holds his job promotion in high regard because of the many years of hard work he put into his career. Perhaps he cherishes the newly built house because of the sacrifices he made in his employment to be able to purchase it. Perhaps he cherishes his body because of the amount of time he spends in the gym shaping his physique. This is why it is beneficial to play hard to get. However, as you surely observed, playing hard to get has a significant drawback. Once he has you, that strategy is no longer effective. When guys decide they've won you, something happens. It's as though they're thinking, game over. Their thoughts are already turning to the next task. What the hell is going on? And what can you do to avoid it destroying your relationship? Giving a man something to work for is always a good idea. One of the most beautiful aspects of women is their inherent loving nature. You'll want to express your love for the man you love in the form of care and concern when you have so much love inside of you. You'd go to great lengths for him. That's quite natural. Take a look at yourself. You're always willing to help your man. You're in charge of him. You make time for him all the time. You have a big heart, kind, loving, to a fault, unforgiving. You simply want to find a man who will accept everything you have to offer. But don't go overboard. Remember that a man will always seek out ways to assert his authority over life. And if you take that away from him, he won't be satisfied. Yes, you should take care of him in whatever way you can. You shouldn't, on the other hand, be coddling him. You never notice it while you're in the middle of it. You're actually depriving him of something. You're robbing him of his motivation. He wants to be your hero. You see, he doesn't want you to be the hero of his story. You must allow him to become the man he has always desired. That's why your life is empty of heroes. That's why you've gotten so many people interested in your offer. Guys who rob you of everything you own and abandon you. If you want a hero, you should put out a call for one. How do you do it? 1. Let him earn your respect. Make sure you give him a chance to earn your respect. Don't simply hand it over to him. Make it clear to him that you aren't a simple girl. Tell him that if he truly wants to be with you, he must put up the effort. They aren't looking for your affection to be served to them on a silver platter. They want to work hard for it. Even more than a woman's eternal and undying love, they yearn for a challenge. As a result, provide him with opportunities to demonstrate his worth. You don't have to put in the effort to win him over. Allow him the pleasure of earning your admiration by sitting back and relaxing. 2. Enjoy being in the presence of a man. Allow him to be a guy and value that aspect of his personality. This is really perfect for men. Isn't his place overflowing with sports memorabilia? What's the big deal? Does he have a filthy kitchen? It isn't a criminal to do it. Isn't he capable of going on for hours on car engines? Well, he's a man, no doubt about it. You're a lady, don't forget that. That aspect is taken care of by you. Allow him to now take care of the masculine side of the equation. You make complete sense when you're all together. 3. Ask your man for help. Ask him anything. Ask him for help to select the brand of your new laptop. Request that he pay attention to the strange rattling noise in your car. Obtain his assistance in reaching something on the highest shelf. Then express your gratitude by thanking him warmly and with a wide smile. That does not imply that you are a needy person. It transforms you into a woman who has room in her heart for a man. When you do these 3 things, your significant other will respond right away. You'll surely be blown away. He's then looking for a lady who just needs him, who enjoys his company, and who respects the person he's striving so hard to become. These are the only 3 things he requires. You, on the other hand, were attempting to be the woman with the greatest figure. You were attempting to be the woman who would take care of all of his needs. You were attempting to be the woman who would always show him your undying love. And he had no intention of looking for any of it. Instead, he desired the lady who would elevate him to the status of her hero. He knew he'd never allow her out of his sight once he discovered her. If you are serious about making your man crazy over you by unleashing his hero instinct, we suggest checking out the first link in this video's description under Recommended Solutions. It's a professional and strong psychology guide that will help you win over, even if he wasn't specifically interested in you. The missing piece in any relationship, in my opinion, is never intimacy, communication, or romantic dates. All of these factors are significant, but they are seldom deal breakers when it comes to a relationship success. The missing piece is this: you must truly comprehend what your man is craving. This is why, every time I'm asked about male psychology, I offer James Bauer's video. He discloses a secret male urge that few women are aware of in the video, which you can access in the video description, and tells you how to exploit it to bring you and your partner closer than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be the first to know whenever we posted another interesting video like this. These videos take a lot of time and effort for research and edit. Your engagement is the main thing that keeps us motivated to do better next time. Thank you so much for engaging. What do you think about the 3 things men crave for? Have you seen any successful couple who has practiced these 3 things and become successful? Is there anything else you want to add that we have missed? Are you determined to practice any of these things in your relationship? Let us know in the comment area below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another interesting social psychology video.